Hey guys, Candice here of CandiceAyala.com and
Abigail Ayala.
And today we're going to open a genuine collection beginner sewing kit. Are you ready to see what's inside? Let's do it. We're gonna take out the biggest, brightest thing first. This is the Class A scissor set. It's rose gold, and there's a dressmaking scissors, an embroidery stork scissors, and a thimble. I love thimbles, I collect those, so this I would love. And there's matching rose gold pins. What else, Abby? What else is matching rose gold?
Measuring tape.
Yep. And we have a really cool pink double-sided seam ripper. And we have 2 handy marking pencils. Also, inside your box is a very handy pamphlet that tells you what everything is. And don't forget that you can get this box at your local baby lock retailer. Let's do the threads. How many?
3.
3 sets of thread from Madeira. And lastly, we have Class A value pack of needles for your machine. This is very handy because you get quilting needles, jean needles, universal needles, leather needles. So this box has everything you'll ever need for a beginner sewer.
And this fun stuff.
So pick one up at your local retailer today.